Let's start with getting comfortable with the layout. When you open YouTube TV, you'll typically land on the Home tab. The Home tab is your personalized hub. Here, you'll find recommendations based on your viewing history, trending content, and suggestions for live events. Scroll down to explore different categories and see what's new. Next up, we have the Live tab. Think of this as your traditional TV guide, but better. You can scroll through all the channels included in your plan, see what's currently airing, and even preview upcoming shows. The Library tab is where all your recorded shows and movies live. Thanks to YouTube TV's unlimited cloud DVR, you never have to worry about running out of space. You can easily find your recordings organized by show or movie. You can also manage your recordings. If you no longer need a show, you can easily delete it from your library. Finally, the Search tab. This is your go-to for finding specific programs, movies, channels, or even sports teams. Just type in what you're looking for, and YouTube TV will quickly find relevant results. Watching live TV on YouTube TV is straightforward, but there are some cool features you should know about. When you're watching live TV, you have the standard playback controls, pause, rewind, and fast forward. But there's more. When you pause, you can often rewind to catch something you missed, even on live TV. Keep an eye out for the Stats for Nerds option, usually found in the settings or by pressing a specific button combination, depending on your device. Another handy feature is the ability to quickly switch between the last few channels you were watching. Often, you can do this by pressing the back button on your remote. The unlimited cloud DVR is a game changer. Let's see how to make the most of it. To record a show, simply find it in the Live guide and click on it. You will usually see options to record just this episode or the entire series. Once recorded, you'll find your shows in the library. YouTube TV automatically organizes them, making it easy to find what you're looking for. You can keep recordings for up to 9 months. YouTube TV offers several ways to personalize your viewing. Head over to Settings to explore customization options. Under Live TV, you can manage your channel guide. You can reorder channels to put your favorites at the top, making it easier to find them. In the Account or Family Sharing settings, you can manage your subscription, add family members, depending on your plan, and create individual profiles. Each profile has its own viewing history and recommendations. You can also adjust the video quality in the settings, depending on your internet connection and data preferences. Let's touch on some more advanced features and helpful tips. Don't forget the power of search. You can search for specific episodes, even if they aren't currently airing live, and YouTube TV will find them in your DVR if recorded or show upcoming airings. Take advantage of the Add to Library feature for sports teams and events. This way, you'll automatically record any live games or related programming. Explore the integration with YouTube Originals and other YouTube content within the app. It's all in one place. So there you have it. A comprehensive look at the amazing features YouTube TV has to offer. We hope this tutorial from Techno Tutor TV has helped you unlock the full potential of your subscription. If you have any questions or favorite YouTube TV tips, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Techno Tutor TV for more in-depth tech tutorials.